Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I have the unboxing of my July Allure Beauty Box. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to know what I got on my Allure Beauty Box, just keep on watching. Okay my friends, so today is my Allure box unboxing for the month of July. I just received it today. Usually it comes in the middle of the month. If you're not familiar with this box, it is a subscription box that it costs only $15. And usually the value for this box is over $50. So I'm very excited about this box because in this month they're actually collaborating with Huda Beauty. And Huda Beauty is a brand that I love. I really love Huda, how she comes up with always something very new, very trendy. She's definitely that Instagram brand and I really love her products. So I'm very excited to see what I got right here. Also, if you're not subscribed to Allure Beauty Box, your first box only costs $10 and it's always free shipping. I really do not know how they do it to maintain free shipping and give you so many products. I mean, it's a really good value. Obviously, Allure is a brand, a magazine that has been out for so many years. So a lot of the items that you will receive right here are brands that they want that promotion. You know, being in Allure in the beauty box, it's a big deal. So we all get it. Anyhow, let's stop rambling and see what I got on this box. Okay, so usually when you receive your package inside, if there's something that doesn't fit, they will put it in the box. But usually you get a little reusable pouch and you see you have Huda Katan right here and there's a $25 coupon code right there. So obviously first is my little pamphlet with Huda Katan here outside. She looks gorgeous as always. She's just such a beautiful woman with that really beautiful black hair. And usually inside this pamphlet right here, this mini catalog brochure, however you want to call it, you will have all the different products that they come on your box and kind of get an idea of pricing and whatnot. Now with Allure it's kind of tricky because you receive a few full-size products and then there's usually one or two at the most that they are travel size or sample size. So first item that I received in my box, this is the Huda Beauty Alluring. So this seems to be a new shade right here. This is a matte liquid lipsticks, and if you haven't tried the matte liquid lipsticks by Huda, they are really good. They are really good. They are not super drying. They have full opacity. I own a few and this is in the shade Alluring. So this is a costume, I think, exclusive color. I'm pretty sure about it. And then there's also a promo code inside this pamphlet right here for Huda Beauty products, which makes me super excited. This is the color. I think it will look good on me. I like red. I don't wear a lot of red usually, but this is a really nice color. I'm excited that I have got it. So this is the first product and it says Huda Beauty loves Allure. Oh, sweet. So this is beautiful packaging. I mean, this woman, she doesn't know how to do wrong, to be honest with you. I mean, I love most of her products. There's just a couple of them that, you know, not my favorite, but in most cases it's always really good. Now next item that I got is a sample item or a travel size, is a Too Faced Hangover primer right here. I have various of these. I don't use it much, to be honest with you, but hey, it's not bad to have, you know, a little sample size to either sample it or travel with it if you like it. Okay, next item that I got is this Ouai texturizing hairspray. I have tried this before. This is a really good texturizing spray. It gives you volume. It's a really nice brand. They carry it at Sephora. In the pamphlet says it costs $26, but I'm sure they are talking about the larger size because this is not a full size. So I think, I don't know, I'm just putting the price out there. This may be about what, $15, no more than that. So this is another item right here. Then on the back also comes a little kind of like a spray size of the DECAY Perfume Vanilla 28. This is by Huda Beauty. This is an eau de parfum and this is made in France. So it comes like this, and I actually love this perfume. I have been meaning to buy actually the big bottle and I always keep forgetting. I have quite a few of these sample size. They usually throw it all the time when I go to Sephora. So, but it's a really beautiful perfume. Okay, next item is this Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. And this seems to be, yeah, this is a Korean brand. I have never tried before this mask right here. So it's one of those masks that you can put top and bottom. And I'm all about trying Korean brand K Beauty. They are coming up with great products. I'm actually half of my skincare routine, the snail serum, or what is it called? The Essence by CosRX. I really like it. I know the viscosity of it, some people think it's weird, but I mean, I remember from back in the time when I had a scar or anything when I was little, and this is back in Peru, my mom used to go to the pharmacy and get some snail mucin in it, and it usually helps so for scarring and whatnot. So I'm excited to try these, and the price of this mask right here is $10. And next item that I got in my box are some lashes. There you go, by Huda Beauty in the style Samantha number 7. I think these are really pretty. I have really small eyelids, so sometimes I'm afraid to try these lashes, but hey, you know, it's in my box. I know these are expensive. I had bought before the style Olivia, and I think they are over $20. Let me check here on my little booklet how much they cost. Okay, if I can find it. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's $20. Okay, so I'm really excited about these styles, Samantha. They look super pretty. The approximate value of my box, according to the booklet, says that it's about $82. I don't think it's $82. Okay, I mean, I have these that is 20, right? This that is 35. No, 35 now, 15. I will give it 15 because 26 is the full size. So say this is 15 and this is 20, then we have 35. Then we have 10 right here, 45. And then we have these right here. I don't recall how much are the liquid lipsticks. I don't recall, but they may be around $25. I mean, we're at about $70, something like that, which is amazing for a $15 subscription box and getting really nice quality brands. Huda Beauty, Ouai, I mean, that's great. And I'm excited to try this brand by Tony Moly. I never tried it before. I think it's really good. I mean, for $15, that's really nothing. I mean, like, my lashes pay for the box itself. So that's really good. So I'm excited to try the products right here on my box, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did so, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with somebody else that may love these type of videos. Also, check my other videos on my channel. I do a lot of unboxing, I do a lot of review, beauty videos, hauls, etc. I would love to have you more often here. So if you haven't done so yet, please consider to subscribe to my channel by ringing that big red button that says subscribe and ring the notification bell. Other than that, my friends, once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.